The reason I didn't get into HVAC is mainly because of all the licensing and all of that. It takes a lot to get a mechanical license in my state. What I should have done is, before the rules changed on the licensing, is I should have went into HVAC. But instead I decided to follow my first interest and get into outdoor power equipment, which is what I am doing now. And some of you may know I'm also into real estate. I never did see myself being this successful because of what my childhood was like. People often ask me what it's like to be me, and I really can't describe that because I am who I am, and everyone in the world is just different. I knew from a very young age that I was different from everyone, and I just didn't know why. All I knew is I loved air conditioners and lawnmowers and anything mechanical. Everyone often wonders how I got into video production and video editing and stuff like that. When I was real little, probably around 4 or 5 years old, I taught myself how to use a computer. And that was back when Windows 95 was still around. It was right around the end of 95, Windows 95. Right around the beginning of 98, 98 SE, and Windows 2000. I was real good with 98 SE and Windows 2000. I got into video production long before I started making these videos. And this is probably the most highest quality cinematic movie type of video I've ever produced. And I've done stuff before that anyone can do. I've recorded the way anybody can do. I mean, anyone can pick up a camera and record something, but it's just, with me, I taught myself everything that I really know. About 85–90% of everything that I know, from computers to cameras to HVAC to building construction and building science, I taught myself. Different town, different school district, and hope things would be better. Time to clean an evaporator coil. It's a really nasty evaporator coil, that is. Power is off. It's kind of gross looking, isn't it? It's quite pleasant. Let's get a close-up. And put the camera back some so I don't spray it. So hose her down. The dirt just coming right off. It looks like our condensate pan's clogged up. I need to fix that, so I need to turn the camera off for that, or move it back some. breathing now. Doing something, but look at this. There's our coil cleaner coming out. That was clogged up. Alright. I had coil cleaner spray all over me, but this is non-acidic, so it's not going to hurt me. Next coil that I clean, I'm going to use less coil cleaner and more water. Oh, that's good and foamy now coming out of there. Let it drain out. That condensate drain thing must be plugged, and it is with garbage. Ugh. That's gross. That's actually draining now that I got that crud out of there. I don't like cleaning A-coils. They make a mess inside of the package unit, but it's necessary.